Are you looking for an opportunity to earn more money without having skills in development? $10 billion program is here to solve all of your problems. With an online educational platform where you can learn new skills with experienced team members. Skill learning program with 3 different levels in which we will cover the following courses: React Native, React JavaScript, Skill Learning in Web App Development and Mobile App Development 4 months course, weekly lectures, live demo with sample source code, monthly assessment reports, QA sessions. Where and how to sell your skills 2 months course, selecting the correct freelancing platform, how to set up freelancing profiles that attract customers, how to bid on a project, budget breakdown estimation for a project, live examples. We will show you some case studies of our recent conversations with clients to make your clear understanding. Start freelancing and monitor your progress. Help in getting your first order. Provide support to win your bid. Monitor your progress and provide full support. Register yourself. Enroll yourself through the website. Pay your registration fee and send us a screenshot. Payment methods: online bank transfer, Jazz Cash and Easy Paysa. For more details, contact us.